Hello, welcome to spelling. Man, day one, well, to be honest with you, day one and week two, we're going to be dealing with this topic, short vowel sounds. Now, when we're dealing with the vowels, we're really dealing with the 5 vowels. That's A, E, I, O, U. And the vowels have 2 different sounds, a long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. I know today and for the first couple weeks we're going to deal with short vowel sounds, but I first want to show you this chart and go through the long vowel sounds because in my opinion the long sounds might be what we're used to, because when you see this symbol over a vowel, in this case A, that's the symbol that's long vowel sound. All the long sounds are exactly what you learned for the alphabet. If you look at this section over here, the long vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U are exactly what I just said. A, I, O, U. You see this symbol over U, that means you actually say the U sound. When you see the long vowel, this long vowel symbol over the O, that means you say the O sound. Or here, that means you say the I sound, like kite, kite, or E, feet. You can actually hear that A, E, I, O, U. Well, what we're focusing on this week and next week are the short vowel sounds. This is a little symbol right here that they put over the vowels to help you understand that you say the short vowel sound. Now, the reason it's called short is because in a way, you almost shorten it up. But the long is A, the short A is A. So, for instance, this is apple. Why? Because this is a short A, apple. If this is a long A, you would say apple, which it is not an apple. It is an apple. That's why you might see, if you look in a dictionary, if you look at places, you see these 2 different symbols here. That's what they mean. If it's like this over an E, that means a long vowel sound, feet. If it's like this, you use a short vowel sound, elephant, elephant. In fact, there's 2 short E's in a row, elephant, right? It's E-fan, not at all. Those are short E's, not long E's, which is why it has a symbol. Same with this for the I. Here in this case, an igloo, igloo, right? Not an igloo, an igloo. You got to know the difference between the long and short vowel sounds. That's why we're going through the short ones. Yeah, let's go through 2 more, huh? 5 of them. The short O, octopus, not octopus, octopus. And almost like to get hit in the gut here. A short U, not umbrella, an umbrella. So that's what these little symbols say. And you gotta know the difference with them, and you can probably bet every single one of our words today for this unit and unit 2 next week can be dealing with the short vowels. Focusing on this, please look at all these little symbols here. If you remember it, that's a short vowel sound, which is why you don't say apple. You don't say apple, you say apple, right? It's not a crab, it's a crab. Big difference between the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. Here again, it's not a teen, it's a 10. Not a fish, it's a fish. You get the idea, but you got to understand the difference between those symbols there. And this week and next week we're dealing with the short vowel sounds. So, you might be able to notice, you're going to see these on your worksheet in your paper packet. You see the short I because he's not mixing, he's mixing. And down here, you have all the short vowel sounds dealing with A, E, I, or I should say the short A, E, I sounds, the I sound. That's why it has these symbols. So, take a look at number 1. Mix, milk, smell, last, so on and so forth. You get the idea. Kind of Kind of weird sounds I'm making, but that's the short vowel sounds, huh? So here's the directions. You're going to focus on these 12 here. I know it looks kind of weird because it's like, wait, section A, section B, section C. Let me explain that. What they're asking you in section A right here is in these 12 words, write the two basic words with the sh sound, with the sound. Well, what you're going to be doing here is looking at those words to find the short A sound. Now, section B right here is look at the 5 basic words with the short E sound. It says, remember the elephant words. Those are here. They're really hard to see in this sheet, but on your paper pack you can see it. The elephant words are kind of, well, they're a little bit different. And the reason these are elephant or blue words in here is because it does have 2 vowels in a row, but in this case it makes the short E sound. Head. Right? Those 2 vowels make the 1 sound. Now going to C, here you're going to write the 5 basic words with the short I sound. So that goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you need some assistance.